Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cooler. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, western Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Portland to Nashville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Another one?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Lafayette,
Did they issue another one? Hold on.
Madison, Hendersonville, La Vergne,
Now I just need to
Mount
find
Juliet,
my,
Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville,
Yeah, there you go.
Lakewood, Westmoreland, Ridgetop, Cross Plains, Portland, Hermitage, Rural Hill, Kansas
Now,
City, and
let's see
Old
what they
Hickory.
issued here, I think.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers
Yep,
218
another
and
one.
232. Interstate 65 between mile markers 92 and 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.